Welcome back. We are Strategic Clean America. This is our president, Frank Martinez. He is going to be our demonstrator today. Hi, Frank. How you doing?
Hello.
So what happens when you call Strategic Clean America is we will come to your club. This is currently we're at a Club Pilates here in Huntington Beach, California. And we are going to swab your surfaces. We're going to do a test to make sure to see really where you're at as far as disinfectant and cleanliness. Now what Frank has in his hand is an ATP meter. Now what this does is read reflective light units. So he's going to go ahead and swab the surfaces here. So this is a high traffic area. This is where some of the managers sit, different people throughout the day. At the desk, the front desk check-in, he's swabbing the surfaces. And we're just going to do a quick little reading to see how clean this club is. Now, Frank is putting the swab into the ATP meter. And what this does is tell us the reflective light units. Now, bacteria and viruses thrive. If the numbers come back over 150, that is not a COVID-safe disinfected desk. That is where staph, MRSA, different bacterias thrive. And here we have a reading of 741. So as much as you think wiping down those the desk on a periodic basis, this is definitely a store that needs Strategic Clean America's help. So now what Frank is going to go ahead and do is he's going to treat the area so we can show you live, without cutting away, exactly what our product can do. Now what Frank has in his hand is an electromagnetic sprayer, and he's going to go ahead and treat the desk. Now inside that machine is monofoil technology. It is EPA approved to kill COVID-19. Now a little history on monofoil is that it was originally invented for the Army. And what the Army was having an issue with was a staph and MRSA outbreak. So they needed a product that could kill bacteria on contact without ruining their uniforms. And this is where monofoil came in and was invented. Now we are lucky enough to be one of the best, one of the distributors for monofoil. So here we are. It is EPA approved to kill COVID-19. And we're going to go ahead and wait for this to dry. We're going to give it a couple minutes, and we're going to go back and retest the area. So here we're back. Frank is now swabbing the area that's been treated by our monofoil product, and we're going to see what our readings are. Now usually we would give this a little bit more time to dry, but since we are filming this for you live, we want to show you just after a few minutes what our product can do. And what's great is that we recommend quarterly treatments. This is not something you need to do daily, just on a quarterly basis. Monofoil creates an invisible barrier that stays on your surfaces and protects your equipment. It won't ruin your reformers. And now we have a reading of
85.
85. Wow.
So it's about a 95% reduction.
95% reduction. And that's a perfect number, a double-digit number that we want to see. Bacteria and viruses cannot thrive in this environment. And what's nice is that now that we've come in and treated this area, it will continue to be protected on weeks on end. So once we've treated your club, we will come back in 30 to 45 days. We will re-swab the surfaces and make sure that those numbers are still under 150 light units. If for some reason they show above 150, we will retreat the club for free. Thank you so much. And now that we've treated this club, we're going to go ahead and give them a certified clean certificate. They can display that for their new members, for their members that are still frozen and want to come back, and their instructors and all of their members can feel at ease and safe knowing that the club is disinfected. Thank you so much, Frank.